Hi, friends. Chris McWilliams, EST Home Mortgage. So, I wanted to do a real life example of the differences between a Vantage score and then a FICO credit score. So, I know I had shared a little bit that we are using Vantage now, and that is an exclusive for the time being. There's only a few lenders that have this ability to use Vantage score at the moment. That will expand over time, but right now we're one of the few. And so a Vantage score is a competing model for credit compared to FICO. It is approved now with Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac and VA and soon to be FHA. And so what that means then is you have to right now pick which model you're going to use. And so we as a loan officer have to have the ability to use it and then also have the ability to advise how it helps or hurts any particular family. So this is a real life example we had today. So this is the FICO at the top for a joint application, and this is the Vantage score at the bottom. This was a conventional purchase, and you'll see here, so the borrower one middle score was 757, borrower two was 747. 747 would be the mortgage qualifying score for FICO. When you look at Vantage, you'll see here this was 818 and 797, so 797 is the qualifying score for Vantage. So for this family, we use the Vantage score. This makes a big difference in their mortgage. So for FICO, they were going to get 6.99% on a 30-year fixed. And then here on Vantage, they're going to get 6.625. So 0.375 difference in rate just by using the better Vantage score rather than FICO. That's a big deal. And when you put that into numbers, that's $114 a month in monthly payment. And then also you'll see that over the course of the loan, this was $41,274.77 cheaper than FICO. So this is a really big deal for families to be able to make sure that they're getting the best interest rate, the best closing costs, best qualifying, and best PMI. So we're using this on every family moving forward, and it is going to help us save families money, have lower payments, lower interest rates, lower PMI, and also help more families qualify. So I wanted to show you a real life example. Would love to chat with you more about it. So let's have a phone call conversation if you have any questions, and we'll talk to you real soon. Enjoy the weekend. Bye-bye.